Hello all and welcome to CJW Music Tutorials. It's another vocal tutorial here. In this one I will be teaching you the fifth exercise that I'm teaching everybody. And this one is going up a fifth and going up a fourth and going back down a fourth and down a fifth. So So you can hear how the vocal cords are being stretched. All right? So take a few minutes, get your breath ready, or take a few seconds, get your breath ready. Breathe a couple times, breathe in deep, and ready and go. Alright, so that's one of them for stretching the voice. Upper register, let's have you do it. Ready? 1, 2, upper register, go. Alright, if you can't do the top one, I have one just for you. If you can't do the top note, it's okay. What we'll do is we will just do so you gotta make sure you get it. I had to make sure I get enough air in there. Bum, 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 bum. You can keep going up as high as you want to. But that is how we would start off doing that, by doing this. Just going up a fifth and back. So let's give that a try. Ready? Okay, breathe in and go. Alright, good. Now we're going to try for the higher register. Ready, breathe, and... There you are. So that is how we would start to do those, and then we would go and do the top fourth, as you saw in the previous exercise, as the finishing touch on that. If you have any questions, please feel free to consult the Q&A and the comments. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.